Hi guys, welcome to Anie'sam TV. If this is your first time watching my videos on YouTube, please do well and click on that subscribe button so that you can see an interesting videos like this anytime I upload a new video on YouTube. Alright, so in this video I want to show you how you can create a book cover like this. Do you understand? I did not pay someone to do this. I do this by myself. I did not pay a freelancer to design this for me. I designed this by myself using an AI tool. As you can see, this book cover is very great. It's very beautiful. All right, so previously, some days ago or some weeks ago, and some days ago, I contacted someone after I might have finished writing my book. I contacted someone to help me design a book cover for me, and the first person mentioned 35,000. Yes, I met another guy. He mentioned 15,000 just to design a book cover. Yeah, so I met another guy. He mentioned about 4,000, and the guy that mentioned 4,000, I actually wanted to give him a try. So I told him to design the book cover for me. I sent him the necessary informations that he needed to design the book cover. At the end of the day, the guy sent me, in fact, this take for over a month for him to send me a book cover that I cannot even show I cannot even show someone who doesn't understand graphics design. Do you understand? The book cover was somehow color error. Everything was so bad. Everything was so bad, and he said he's a professional. The person that recommended him to me says he's the best, and I've been seeing some of the graphics, and they said he's the one that designed them. But I was wondering, how can this person design something like this for me? But he's the one, according to people, he's the one that has been designing all those beautiful thumbnails, beautiful book covers, beautiful graphics designs that have been seen, especially on his status. I was wondering, how could he send me this kind of book cover? No, I did not like it. So I told him I did not like it, and anyway, I sent him part of the money, which was 2,000 to balance the rest, but I did not like it. Yeah, so I actually wanted to give the other person a try, the one that said 35,000. But I now consider, how can I just pay someone 35,000? Can't I create this by myself? Can't I do this by myself? And I was like, okay, fine, let me see if I can do this. So that money was not the problem. That money was not really the problem. The problem was for me to get what I want. Do you understand? And I'll say, okay, fine, let me try this by myself and see if it will work. And if it doesn't work, I will pay him the money. So what did I do? I went to ChatGPT. Let me show you in ChatGPT. So this was the chat in the chat of the book. Should I say chat? This was where I did everything that concerns that book. Do you understand? Everything that has to do with that book is here. So I came to ChatGPT. I now say, all the information we use in creating this book. Now the book cover is what is remaining. This was what I said. I typed this by myself. I did not ask any tool or any AI tool to do this for me. No, I type it by myself. So let's read the prompt. So I wrote this prompt in ChatGPT. All the information we use in creating this book, and the book cover is what is remaining. Give me a prompt that I will use in Ideogram AI to generate a beautiful book cover for this book. To generate a beautiful book cover for this book that will attract anyone to click and buy the book online or even in the bookstore, right? So I now went ahead and put the book specification, which includes the book cover size, which was 6 by 9 inches, and then I now said, remember the book title. The book title is here already, but I had to put it here again. Remember the book title, the Dream Chasers Guidebook. The subtitle, a guide to mastering creating. So I put the book subtitle, and then I put the author, which is my name, and then I now said this, including the other information that we generated earlier for this book. Use all of those information to create this prompt for Ideogram AI. Create a space for me to add some few images in the cover, right? So I now send to ChatGPT, and then this was the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. So let me say this before I continue. So if you want to do something like this, you can just copy this and edit. You can just copy this by prompt and edit. And if you want to do something like this, please make sure that you change you put your book title. Don't use mine. Put your own book title. Put your book dimension. Mine was 6 by 9 inches. If yours is in pixel, just put it. All right, put your book dimension there. And then the subtitle, put your book subtitle here. And then the author, put your author name or your pen name, put it there. And then make sure you write this and this. Do you understand? So this was the prompt result that I got from ChatGPT. So this was the prompt result, so that I can copy this and take it to Ideogram AI. So I copied everything here. This was the prompt that I got from ChatGPT. So I copied everything here, and then I came to sorry, I came to Ideogram AI. When I came to Ideogram AI, I pasted here. Look at the top here. This was where I pasted the prompt result that I got from ChatGPT. I pasted it here, and I click here and search. This was the first the first 4 images that I got. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was the first 4 images that I got. This one was the first one, and this was the prompt. This was the prompt result that I got from ChatGPT. More details, you can just click view all, and then you see all of that prompt that I got. So this was the first book cover. I did not like it. The second book cover, I did not like it. The third book cover, I like this one a bit, but I didn't really like it like that. So I love this one. I like this one, but the problem was that there was images here, and these images I did not understand it. So I had, and I wish I can zoom this. And the font size, the font type was very poor. I did not like this font type. So I had to come back again to ChatGPT. I came back to ChatGPT again. So I uploaded the image. I uploaded the cover, the one that I liked. I uploaded it to ChatGPT. How you can upload an image or any image to ChatGPT? Just look at this place. You will see a plus sign. All right. So you click on this plus sign. So once you click on this plus sign, you will see something like this. Once you see something like this, what you are going to do is for you to click on click here, add photo or files. Click there. Do you understand? So add photos and files. Click on add photos and files. So once you click on it, it will take you to your device, whether you are using phone or your computer. Is the same thing. It's the same process. So you are going to select. Make sure that you first of all download that image from. Make sure you first of all download that image or the book cover from Ideogram AI. You can just right click and click on save as and choose where you want to save it. Do you understand? And then once it is saved, you can just come here. Click on this plus sign, click on that plus sign, and it will take you to your computer where you are going to show where you are going to import that image. Do you understand? And then you import the image. After importing the image, so click on add photos and files. So after clicking that, it will take you to the inside of your computer, right? So you now select that place that you saved that image or that book cover. You select that book cover and then click on open. Once you click on open, it will come to this. It will appear here. It will appear somewhere in this place, and then you write your complaint. So I did that, and the image, this is the image. I like this one, but there was a problem. Pictures, there's a little 4 pictures that I did not understand. So I brought the image here. I imported the image or the book cover here to lay a complaint to ChatGPT. Right. This is the book cover I got from Ideogram AI from the prompt you gave me. So the ChatGPT now showed me some things that are good, some things that are bad. Do you understand? It showed me some things that are good, some things that are bad, some things that needed to be fixed, and ChatGPT later suggested that the subtitle was very long, and I should shorten the subtitle, and I did that. So after that, Okay, yeah, I said this. Let's go back to the book cover I uploaded. Anything you want to be corrected, put it in a prompt so that I can take it to Ideogram AI to regenerate the beta version of the image. So now ChatGPT now gave me this prompt. Do you understand? ChatGPT now gave me this prompt, and I copied it. I copied this prompt. I copied this other prompt. I copied it to this point, and then I added this. ChatGPT also gave me this, so I added it. I added it to the prompt, and then I copied everything. I took it. I brought it here. Do you understand? Let me check in my image. Let me check. So yeah, I came and pasted it in. This is it. If you can check, you will see from the beginning. Design a premium, modern, and highly professional book cover. Design a premium, modern. So if you check here, you will see design a premium, modern. So I pasted it. After pasting it, the thing now gave me the this face image. Sorry, this Facebook cover. The Ideogram AI now gave me these other four book covers, and I choose one, and this is the one that I choose. I choose this one, right? I choose this one, which is this one that you are seeing, and this looks beautiful. This looks beautiful. And if you check the subtitle font type, it looks very nice. It looks very nice. So if I want to adjust something here, I can easily take this to Canva and re-edit. Do you understand? I can take this to Canva and edit, but I don't think that is necessary. I think like this, the image or the book cover is up to date, is perfect. So I will just go ahead and use this. Do you know if those people that I wanted to pay actually did something like this? Do you understand? If they actually use a tool like this and create something like this for me, I would have paid them so much money without even knowing that they use a tool like this, ChatGPT and Ideogram AI, to generate this book cover. Do you understand? I would have paid them, even if someone says 50,000 for this book cover or 30,000 for this book cover. As long as it looks like this, I would have paid money without asking questions. But the ones that they did to me, especially that guy, the ones he did for me, I did not like it. It was nothing compared to this one. Do you understand? And I did not even spend up to 15 minutes creating this. I did not even spend up to 15 minutes creating this. And trust me, this image, this book cover, if I use this and publish my book on Amazon, Seller, Gumroad, Barnes and Nobles, any publishing platform that I may like to use this book cover and publish the book, trust me, this book cover will generate sales. It will make sales. Do you understand? So this is how you can actually use a tool like this, ChatGPT and Ideogram AI, and create a book cover in any niche. A book cover in any niche, be it a cookbook, be it whatsoever niche that you are doing. As long as you're a publisher, you can just use these two tools and create something like this without wasting time. All you just have to do is for you to sit down and make sure you write a perfect prompt. All those things that you want to include in that prompt, if the book is a cookbook, all the pictures that you want to appear in the front of that book cover, even if it is vegetable, pumpkin leaf, cassava, soup, stew, anything that you just want, rice, anything that you just want to appear in that book cover, make sure that those things are mentioned in the prompt. Because Ideogram AI, ChatGPT will use your prompt and arrange a perfect prompt for you to use in Ideogram AI. And Ideogram AI will now give you a perfect image for you to use for your book. No need for you to stress yourself going to Canva to edit and try and error. You pay someone, stress yourself. At the end of the day, you don't like what you get. Some people are good anyway. Some graphics designers are very, very good anyways. But I'm just showing you this shortcut for you to use that money that you are supposed to pay a graphics designer. If you don't have money, you can use that money and run ads instead of paying a graphics designer, and then you do something like this and get a better a book cover for your book. The money that you're supposed to pay a graphics designer to design the book for you, if you are an upcoming if you are an upcomer, do you understand? Which means you might not really have enough money to pay people. Imagine designing 10 books, 30, that would be 30,000 times 10. As a new person, as a new author in Amazon KDP, or a new publisher in any publishing platform, you are not supposed to spend like that to outsource for book covers like this. But you can easily do something like this using these two tools without spending a dime. That money that you're supposed to pay someone to design a book cover for you, you use that money and run ads on your publishing platform and generate more sales. You do something like this, publish the book, run ads, make more money from the ads, and then that's it. If you must pay someone to design a book cover for you, that would be when you might have, start making money from your previous books, from your, from other books that you've been publishing for a while. Do you understand? Okay, this is mock-up for promotion, for promotional purposes. Yes, I can use this and do my A+ content on Amazon, and I can also use it and do any other book promotion that I want. I also use this lady. I did not snap this lady, but there's a tool that I used to create that. Do you understand? And that looks amazing. And also this I did not package this book like this. I use a tool to do it, and you will learn all of this in my course. Do you understand? You will learn all of this in my course. And I want to use this one for promotion on Facebook, right? I want to promote using that on Facebook, and as you can see, they look amazing. Just use something like this and promote the book on social media, and you are going to make sales. Since this is my personal book, I want to promote it everywhere on social media, on everywhere. And if you want me to teach you how you can do a mock-up like this for your book promotion on social media, then let me know. I will make a special video for that. Do you understand? It's very simple, and you will learn that in my course. Trust me, it's very simple. And also, this particular mock-up simply means that this book, you can buy the hard copy and read. You can also buy and read it in your tablet, and you can also read it in your phone. That is what this particular mock-up represents, and you can see they look so beautiful. And also, this also look beautiful for your book promotion, especially when doing A+ content on Amazon. A+ content. All right. This book will also be available on Amazon KDP, Barnes and Nobles, Kobo, Lulu, etc., and the rest of them. Do you understand? And if you want to learn how to create a mock-up like this for your book promotion, just reach out to me or comment in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to create a special video just for this. Do you understand? I hope this hack helps, and then if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section of this video, and then I'll put the link of my Telegram community and my WhatsApp group under this video's comment section, so that you can join the group for us to interact and share ideas. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.